Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Android package installer keeps stopping. So let's get started. So the first solution you can try is by resetting your device. This should be a quick fix and it should fix the problem. If it does not, then go into your settings and then over there find apps and notifications, tap on it. Once in here at the top, go into app info. Once in here you'll see all of your apps. Just click on the Android package installer and then scroll down until you see an option for storage and cache. Tap on it and then over here make sure to click on clear cache and then click on clear storage. Just keep in mind that this will clear all of the storage of the package installer. Now try clearing up your space on your mobile phone and then see if it works. If it still doesn't work, then go into the app info of the package installer and then over here tap on settings. Under settings, make sure all of the permissions are allowed. This includes the storage as well. You can also try disabling third-party apps that may interfere, as they can disrupt the package installer's functioning. For some phones, when you long press on the power button, you'll see an option for safe mode. Go into safe mode and try installing the app then, and also try uninstalling the third-party app under the safe mode. If that doesn't work, then go back into your settings and again go back to the app info, and on the top right hand side you'll see three dots. Click on it and then click on reset app preferences, and now you can try updating your Google Play services and this should fix your issue. If for example your issue is still not fixed, then you might have to do a factory reset. So make sure that you have backed up all of your important data first, then go into your settings and search for the reset option and then make sure to reset all settings and set up your device again. If the issue still continues after all of these steps, then there might be a serious issue with your Android firmware, so you might need to contact your manufacturer or get support from a technician. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.